This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font family in Windows Notepad. I will be using Windows 11 for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now and I have Windows Notepad opened up. To change the default font family in Notepad, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner of Notepad, up to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that. Then on this settings page here, you want to go down to the text formatting area, and the first thing down is font. You want to click on font. That will expand it. And the very top thing is family, your font family. You just click the drop down on the right side of that, and you can choose any font family that you want here. That is how to change the default font family in Notepad. Thanks for watching.